destination where we are going to something riding, just going to be hiking. So the people are already arrived, everybody follow the steps. This is one of the old village they call. So we are going to be this for the cycle track whose really mountain bike trials. You see here, these people are going like this. 400 years. So we are going to visit the old village, which we are going to see. This is one of the oldest village in Hatta area. So we are going to see that area. Let's see, we are very difficult paths we come out, and you can see my videos. It's really amazing off-road, and we are searching to find out this area. It's very amazing. Continually watch my video, follow Legendary Discovery in YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and anything. You have to follow me. Yemin Alesha. Yemin Alesha. People are tired. Sure. We never thought this one we are going to come. Yeah. No, we have, but this is desert, no? So all the trees dead almost. The road still they are keeping for remembrance, like to visit like this area also. Still people before they leave this area. You can see the rock. This rock is like totally different. You can see here. Totally, it's like a piece by piece. Look like gold somewhere. Still walking. We are walking and walking. You see bikes only. This area, this is called bikes only. You see here, they can go by here. How they are going? Really crazy things. Mountain biking is one of the crazy things. Sams, how are you? Feel tired? Still can, huh? Okay. Nice view. But no one knows this place look like. So need to go long way. This area look like something before, look like home or something like that. So this area, think about this area. You see, here look like iron, really iron. Unbelievable. Oh, this is the hole.
The drawing houses, you know, see the drawing.
This is the houses.
Some drawings here.
Yeah. This is almost so this is a home for a long time back. People are living here also. Nowadays too many complaints. I don't have AC, I don't have water, I don't have this, I don't have that. Many complaints. You see this one? We cannot say any complaints. If you see like these things, you will never say any complaints. Wow. You see? This is the family staying in very, very old time. And also no road. We came almost by car itself, very difficult. Oh. So these are the house, old type of house. Yes. So you can see that these houses for a long time back. So now our people are complaining too much. I don't have AC, I don't have a fan, I don't have light. How they lived? You see that? You see this? So still we are go by walk. So this for our children and people who are.
Abdullah was living in this place.
You see here, still they keep it for remembrance. Like they didn't demolish completely.
We can walk all the way up, but no, we have to have food.
Yeah.
And lots of water.
So if we come for this area, hala, Alhamdulillah. It's very big, very big, very big. You can see here bike trialing. So this area they are bike also going, mountain bike. This old village, maybe 400, 500 years back, the people are living like this in the mountain. You cannot imagination how they live this area. Water, electricity, no communications. People really unbelievable. Oh, it's one of the nice tour. You must visit. You must come here. I will try to share the location where you have to come. So people are enjoying this area. You see, today is sunny, almost like 27 degree, but still okay. Still, because this kind of places we will not see again. We will not come back, you know. When you are group, we'll come. If you are not group, we will never come. If you are alone, very difficult to come. So come with groups, friends, families. Enjoy this location to understand what is life. Too easy to understand. So hopefully you will enjoy. Now the climate is changed, you see. Changed to some shadow it came. It's amazing area. Unbelievable. So you can see here, bike ride. Lazim. Hafnavi.
Subscribe 2 or 3.
Subscribe. Subscribe.
And like.
هذا body builder, my body builder. Hop, 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 hop. So you can see there is tree. Very nice location. So still you are not watched, you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, share, comment, follow. So this tour going to be end now. You can see the people, they're walking. Step by step, people walking. This is a small hiking to visit because we cannot go by car. We park the car and we go by walk. Almost 1.5 kilometer, 2 kilometer we can say. Lazim. Everybody coming this area to visit, remember, you can watch anytime in my channel. Legendary Discovery. YouTube, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. So this is fully English. Or they all? Yeah. Yeah, now this video especially English complete. Almost we are going to reach our area. Now the time is 12:20. So windy a little bit, and I can see a little bit chillness, but there is still sun is there. Almost like, you can say like 10 kilometer per hour, maybe 5 kilometer. So I have evidence for somebody smoking. So people almost, especially like this area, we have to be very careful because it can skid anytime because small stone. Still I can remember that some incident. So people are collecting some stones because it's amazing, unbelievable. My battery also almost going to be die. So this is the crossing area. You can see this stone, totally different. Sound, he make this sound. Cycle, they make it a lot of way for cycling. Cycling means cycling, real cycling. If you are do the cycle in road, nothing. Come and here and try, you will understand. So finally, we reach our area. See you bye in next video. Bye, bye, bye.